Diagnostics today. Heat and air conditioning control unit. The control seems to function fine, but the fan will go from high down to 20%. It sounds like it's shutting off. It's not shutting off. It just goes down to 20%. And then it comes right back up again. So I look at the scanner, and the scanner says, see right there, it went down to 20%. It'll come right back up again. Scanner said there was a circuit problem with the blower motor, so I put a fan speed module, and it still did the same thing. So I do the Google search, and they talk about an actuator door problem. And if the actuator door is not actuating, the control module will shut down the fan if it's not directed in the right position. If the control module says you should be going here, it's got sensors that says no, you're not going there, so we're going to shut down the fan. And that's what it's doing. So what I did was I turned the controller up to hot since it's cold, and I put the function up to bi-level, and I turned the fan on. Well, I got heat over here. See, it just shut off again. I got heat over here on my left side, and that's where it's set. But on the right side, there it is, fan's on high again. It's cold. Hot over here, cold over here. Which proves what everybody's saying. And after driving for 2 hours and actuating everything, it finally comes up and gives me a fault code for the right side. Temperature door.